Welcome back. So today we have another windy day, but nothing like it was yesterday. If you saw that short I posted within my shop there, and how windy it was. We had hurricane force winds, 85 miles per hour. Absolutely insane yesterday. Anyway, today I will probably try to get this one loaded. I'm actually trying to see if I can get 2 loads out today, because I've only been getting about one, which is pretty bad. When I first got into this, I thought I was going to be able to get 3 a day. So it's definitely taking a lot longer than expected. Since this one's short, I'll try to throw it on the back of one of the loads, get that one out of here. So I'm usually getting one of these newer vehicles plus something shorter, just because these new ones are a bit longer and taking up more space. I got to get something short in the back. So this was a nice long one. I don't even remember what it is. It's a Lafayette. So what is that, a Pontiac or Buick? I think it's Buick Lafayette. I don't remember the year. I didn't do my research before I started recording, but it's a cool one. I like this one. This is one that I'll probably keep. The body was in that 38 Buick I loaded, or any missing parts basically were in the Buick. But I like this one. It's a pretty cool body style, and it's in pretty good shape. Let me see here. Take a closer look at it. I have a tendency to rush through these videos and not really let you guys get too much information. I want to change that, but at the same time, I want to get these loaded and out of here. I believe the deck lid... Let's see, okay, we got fenders in here, both back fenders. I think he said the deck lid was in that other vehicle in the Buick. So anyway, let me see. There, that gives you a little bit better view. Yeah, body-wise, it's looking pretty good. Roof looks pretty good. Dash is all there. Missing glass, unfortunately. Now it says Nash. Is it a Nash Lafayette? I'm a bit confused. Comment below, let me know. So, okay, we got the front fender here. Looks like it must have come off of something else, but it looks like it's in good shape. It's a Nash Lafayette. Huh, okay. This one might have a little bit of damage there, but not bad. Really, it's in pretty good shape. A little bit of chrome missing at the top of there, little ding. Nothing that can't be fixed. The hood underneath the wheel is looking pretty good. That's just some spare metal that got tossed up there. Side panels of the hood, that looks good. Door looks good. The side of the roof looks good. What is that? I thought it might be lead filler, but it looks like it's just bad paint, I guess. Yeah, boy, this is in pretty good shape too. I gotta say, I'm pleasantly surprised that a lot of this stuff he's got is in pretty good shape. I have seen some stuff that I was a bit disappointed about, of course, but it happens. Now, does it have an engine inside? I'm trying to see. Yeah, it does. Okay. Huh. Okay, well, engine's complete, or, fairly complete. Got a carburetor, that's good. Radiator's in it. The head, spark plugs, wires. Cool. Shouldn't be too hard to fire it up as long as it's not seized. Okay, cool. So we will try to get this out of here today. Do I want to go on to the Packard? Wonder if there's something short that I can get where I could get 2 shorties on. I don't know. I'll try to take a video of it, but at this rate, let's just start with the Nash and the Triumph. See if we can get these 2 loaded, and hopefully I can get a second load today. And then now let's see. I got something to show you here. Just trying to keep you on top of everything I'm doing if you're following things closely. I managed to mangle my fork extension when I was loading the Hudson the other day. I got it in my ramp steps, the slats in between on my ramps. Just totally mangled it. But I've been having a hard time with these anyway, trying to keep them from bending. Honestly, I thought they'd hold up a little bit better, but they're weak since it's not tubing, it's just channel. So anyway, luckily I had another one laying around my shop, and I made it, and then I put a little bit of extra plating on there to try to tube it up. And what did I do? I managed to bend it. Just warp it from the heat. But in all honesty, the other one is already bent also from weight, so it's not a big deal. Hopefully it will keep it from bending any worse. All right, let's get loading stuff.
Oh, I've gotta watch out so you'll never know how much I love you. And I've gotta close up all the hubba like a clam. If you ever found out all the dreams that I am dreaming of you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. Oh, I've gotta think twice when we're dancing so my arms won't crush you. And I've gotta be nice so the door into your heart won't slam. So I worry and I fret, for if once I should forget and rush you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. You are the greatest problem I ever had. Baby, I love you so good, I love you like I'm bad. But tonight I can't bluff, gotta tell the stuff I'm dreaming of you. Take you straight to your door like before, but when it's time to scram, I'm gonna grab you and growl, and my hungry heart will howl, I love you. And if that makes me a wolf, well then let me be a wolf, 'cause you made me what I am. You are the greatest problem I ever had. Oh, I love you so good, I love you like I'm bad.
Okay, it is a 1937 Nash Lafayette. So there you go. I did manage to get the Triumph loaded as well. So I'm gonna hurry up, strap these down, try to get to my shop, unload them, get back here and get another one. Let's see if I can get it done. Okay guys, so I got the other two out of here. It's the same day. This is a 1960 Studebaker Lark. It's a little bit shorter, so I'm hoping I can load this one up and maybe one of these two or something else. I don't know. Right now, just want to try to get it on this one. The body is not quite as nice. A little bit of a indented scratch there on the bottom of the quarter. Little dent in the bottom of the door there. We got a dent in the front fender. The hood is sitting on there. I don't know. The grill looks good. The bumper's a little banged up. Windshield's got a crack in it. No door windows except the back ones are there, but a crack in it. Back windshield is nice. That's good. Rear quarter has a dent in it. Roof's a bit dented up. Yeah, this one's seen some days. And this front fender here is pretty much shot. If you look at all the rust rot in there, it pretty much needs a new front fender or some really good metal work. But 3 of the tires are holding there for me, so that's a bonus. The dash is all there, interior's there, just needs to be replaced. And door panel's missing over there. But yeah, we actually have 2 of these, I believe. So this is the first one. So yeah, let's see if we can't get some more loaded. I'm fighting the dark here. I got about an hour before it starts getting too dark. So let's get going. Alright, well, we got her loaded. So that was 3 of the main vehicles, or I should say the newer vehicles, and I just put a bunch of junk on the back of this one. Junk depending on who you're talking to, I guess. Pretty rough shape, roadster. That is a Touring, and the back of a Touring over there. But there's a bunch of doors in here. Honestly, haven't even gone through them yet. Hoping there's a couple good ones in there. The wheels, the artillery rims on this trailer thingy, and this cool old lantern on the back of this Touring. And then just, I don't know, if it's parts or whatever I decide to do with it. There's something there. Patch panels, parts, whatever. So yeah, we got our 1960 Studebaker Lark there. I actually am gonna go look at the other one because I'm curious. Okay, so here is the other Studebaker Lark at the very back of the lot. I'd almost forgotten about this one, and it is in much better shape. The body's much straighter, and it's a 2-door, so that's helpful. Got the glass in it. The roof is in good shape. The other one is dented. The fender, unfortunately, looks the same, and this one's door is a little creased, but I might be able to swap doors if the other one's better. A little bit of rot in the front of the fender. Front bumper's looking good. Front windshield's good. Way better shape. Okay. All right. Nice. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely the one that's going to get saved. And we'll see about the other one, see how many parts I got to take off of it, either part it out or sell it as is. But anyway, yeah, if you're enjoying this, if you're wondering what I'm doing and you enjoy what I'm doing, if you like watching what I'm doing, then make sure to subscribe. We're going to be moving all these cars and selling some of them and fixing some of them. It's going to be a very long process, so make sure you